Mataram, Sujilam, Sufilam. I wish you Godspeed. Jai Hind.
That as far as investment is concerned, it's autopilot. I will focus only on Human Development Index. And in these 5 years, I have fully dedicated myself for the Human Development Index. And in this summit, I can see how my dream is taking shape and how people are coming forward to fulfill it.
Gujarat, the undisputed growth engine of India, is the world's 3rd largest producer of denim and India's largest producer of salt, chemicals, sponge iron, petrochemicals and pharmaceuticals. Gujarat is home to one of the world's largest grassroots refineries, the world's largest single-location copper smelter unit, and the world's largest lignite-based single-stream cement plant. Gujarat's fast-track economic development is for everyone to see. Consistent double-digit growth, rising inflow of global investments, increasing presence of multinational organizations, 60 approved SEZs, highest in the country, 2 special investment regions, and 40% of the proposed Delhi-Mumbai freight corridor. And what's special about Gujarat is its peaceful and productive workforce. Little wonder that the entrepreneurs are smiling and the investors are delighted.
As Reliance, we have been in business in Gujarat over the last 50 years, and I am very proud to say that we have not lost a single day of work.
Believe it or not, Gujarat is a state led by a common man who is focused on a vision.
Gujarat's success could not have been so swift without the vision and passion of its Chief Minister and the energy of its people.
A common man who dreams with his eyes open. A common man who inspires one and all.
I think we as politicians from different parts of the world can easily be inspired by him.
આ માણસ છે જ્યારથી સચિવાલયમાં બેઠા છે આખા સચિવાલયમાં એક જાન આવી ગઈ છે, એક પ્રાણ આવી ગયો છે અને એના કારણે આજે એક ચારે તરફ જોઈએ તો આપણને એક વર્ક દેખાય છે અને લોકો કામે લાગ્યા હોય એવું દેખાય છે.
A common man who leads from the front.
The example of Gujarat is an example that other states must emulate if they need to bring India to the forefront of economic and social development.
The presence of these distinguished guests is a tribute to the outstanding economic progress made by the people of Gujarat under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Modi.
સમાજના ક્ષેત્રમાં, ઉદ્યોગના ક્ષેત્રમાં, બધી ક્ષેત્રમાં, બધા ક્ષેત્રોમાં જે આજે ગુજરાત આકર્ષણનું કેન્દ્ર બન્યું છે એનો પણ ક્રેડિટ नरेंद्र भाई ने से.
मोदी जी के आने के बाद हर आम गुजराती की ताकत भी उतरी बड़ी हो गई है.
Apart from the investment climate of this place, there is something about the people here that makes this place unforgettable. There is something about their simplicity and spirituality, about their spirit of festivities and their spirit of enterprise, about their warmth and hospitality. And there is yet another unique facet that binds the people of Gujarat together: happiness.
Gujarat is a state which is synonymous with happiness. ऐसे खुशी हगी है यार जो भी कह लें.
There's a lot of contentment, and I believe that the difference between contentment and happiness comes from the quality of life.
And this happiness and contentment stem from an atmosphere of celebrations. In Gujarat, Krishi Mahotsav is a celebration of free flow of knowledge from the agri research labs to the doorsteps of the farmers.